Good morning, dear students. I am teaching you chapter 2. Name of the chapter 2 is the plants give us food. Class 2nd, lesson 2. Lesson 2. Plants give us food. Plants give us food. So in that topic I discussed we eat roots of some plants, we eat leaves of some plants, and you know that plants are very useful to us. And in topic I discussed about we eat leaves of some plants, and I have given example spinach, cabbage, fenugreek and lettuce. Then I have completed we eat stems of some plant. So stems, we are using potato stem parts, sugarcane, ginger and garlic. And now we will discuss we eat roots of some plants. We eat roots of some plants. We eat roots of some plants. So in this you can see that some plants stored food in their roots. Some plants have food stored in their roots. You can see that examples I will tell you. Turnip, radish, then carrot, beet, etc. You can see that we are using the root parts, and they have edible roots, and they too are eaten as vegetables. Turnip, radish, carrot and beet we are using as the vegetables. I will draw the diagram. You can see that I will use this. This is the turnip. You can see that turnip, we are using the root parts. This is the turnip. And then radish I will draw. You can see that radish. This is the radish. Then you can see that carrot. I will draw the carrot, and you can see this is the carrot, and then you can see that beet. I will draw the diagram of the beet. You can see that this is the beet. This is the beet. So what we are using? We are using the root part. We are using the root part. You can see that some plants stored food in their roots. Examples: turnip, radish, carrot and beet. So diagrams I have drawn here, you can see. Then next is the we eat fruits of some plants. We eat fruits of some plants. Some plants have food stored in their fruits. Some plants, we eat fruits of some plants. We eat fruits of some plants. You can see that just like the above, some plants have food stored in their fruits. Examples I will tell you. Mango, then banana, apple, you can see that apple, tomato, brinjal, then lady's finger, brinjal and lady finger. You can see that we eat fruits of some plants, and some plants have food stored in their fruits. Examples I will tell you: mango, banana, apple, tomato, brinjal and lady's finger. So they are stored food in their fruits part. Where they stored the food? Fruits part. So we are eating fruit parts of the plant, and some of them are eaten as fruits and some of them are eaten as vegetables. So mango, banana, apple we are using as the fruits, and tomato, brinjal and lady's finger we are using as the vegetables. I think all of you understood. We eat fruits of some plants. You can see that. Examples I will tell you. Mango, banana, apple, tomato, brinjal and lady's finger. Then banana, in book it is given. You can see that banana, apple, brinjal and lady's finger. Then we eat all parts of some plants. We are eating the all parts of the some plants. We are eating the all parts of some plants. You can see that we eat all parts of some plant. We eat all parts of some plant. We eat all parts of some plant. In some plants are edible in all their parts. Example, radish, turnip and onion are the examples. We are eating the whole parts of the plant. Examples you can see that radish, we are eating the whole part. Radish, turnip and onion. Radish, turnip and onion. We are using the whole part of the plants. In book it is given. You can see that downside, and you can see that we are using the whole part of the plant. So this is the we eat all parts of some plants. We are using the all part of the some plant. Then next is the, I think all of you understood till here. Now we will discuss about the we eat flowers of some plants. We eat flowers of some plant. So some plants have food stored in their flowers. So we eat flowers of some plants. Here you can see that cauliflower and broccoli are the edible flowers of plant. Examples you can see that cauliflower, broccoli are the edible flowers of plants, and both of them are eaten as the vegetables. Cauliflower and broccoli are eaten as the vegetables, and you know that we are eating the flowers of the cauliflower and broccoli. Both of them are eaten as the vegetables. You know that we are used as the vegetables. They both are the vegetables. Then they have food stored in their flowers. They have food stored in their which part of the plant? They stored in flowers part. They stored their food. I think all of you understood till here. So what we discussed in this? First one, we eat leaves of some plants. We eat stems of some plants. We eat roots of some plants. We eat fruits of some plants. And we eat all parts of some plants. We eat flowers of some plants. So till here you will take revision, and all of you read till here, and you can take revision what I taught you today. You can take revision and you will read, and in book you in copy you can draw the diagram of different 5 fruits and 5 vegetables. You will draw the diagram of the 5 fruits and 5 vegetables in the GSC copy, where you will write chapter 2 in the last page. You have to, or starting, you can draw name of the 5 fruits and name of the 5 vegetables diagram you have to draw in copy. So till here you will take revision.